Imagine waking up every day without worrying about money, because your income grows even when you're not working. Financial freedom isn't something only rich people get. It's something anyone can build with the right steps. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to reach financial freedom in 2026, step by step. In this video, I'm going to break down a complete and easy-to-follow roadmap to financial freedom. No complicated theory, no motivational fluff. Just clear steps you can start using today. It doesn't matter how much you earn, where you live, or what job you have. If you follow this process, you can move closer to financial freedom starting right now. Financial freedom isn't the same for everyone. For some people, it means having no debt at all. For others, it means having enough passive income to cover all their monthly expenses. Before you begin this journey, take a moment to define what financial freedom looks like for you. Ask yourself, how much money do I want to earn every month? How much do I want saved? What kind of lifestyle do I want by 2026? When you are clear about your goals, it becomes much easier to build a plan and move in the right direction. Your financial freedom number is easy to calculate. Just take your monthly expenses and multiply them by 12 months. So if you spend $2,000 every month, your financial freedom number becomes $24,000 a year. This number is your goal, the amount you need to earn through passive income and investments to live comfortably without stress. Financial freedom is very hard to reach if high-interest debt is eating up your money. Start by paying off the debts that cost you the most, like credit cards, personal loans, and overdue bills. Every dollar you pay off is like a guaranteed return on your money and brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Don't stress over complicated spreadsheets. Keep it simple with the 50-30-20 method. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, 20% for savings and investing. This system is easy to follow, flexible, and helps you keep your spending under control while still saving for the future. Financial freedom is hard to reach if high-interest debt keeps taking your money. Start by paying off the debts that cost you the most, like credit cards, personal loans, and overdue bills. Every dollar you pay off is a guaranteed win and moves you closer to financial freedom. Don't overcomplicate things with detailed spreadsheets. A simple way to budget is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your money goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and investments. This method is easy to follow, flexible, and helps you control your spending while still building wealth. Start by saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This emergency fund acts as a safety net. It protects you from stress, unexpected bills, job loss, or medical emergencies. With this in place, you reduce the risk of falling back into debt and stay on track toward financial freedom. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Even $50 or $100 a month can grow significantly over time. Focus on simple, low-risk options like index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks, retirement plans. The key is to be consistent and keep investing regularly. It's not about being perfect, it's about taking steady steps toward your financial freedom. Relying on just one income is risky. If it stops, everything stops. Try to build at least 2 or 3 income sources, such as freelancing, a small online business, affiliate marketing, digital products, rental income. Having multiple streams of income will speed up your journey to financial freedom and give you more security. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account for savings, investments, and bill payments. Automation takes the guesswork and emotion out of managing money, making it much easier to stay on track and move toward financial freedom. Building wealth starts in your mind. Avoid the get-rich-quick mindset. It rarely works. Instead, focus on patience, discipline, thinking long-term, learning from mistakes. These habits will help you build real, lasting wealth over time. Take time each month to review your finances. Ask yourself, did my savings grow? Did my expenses go down? Did my income increase? Keeping track of your progress helps you stay motivated, make adjustments, and stay accountable on your journey to financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't about luck or magic. It's about making small, smart choices and sticking with them over time. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and by the end of 2026, you can completely transform your financial life and enjoy true freedom. If you want more tips on earning, saving, and investing your money smarter, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos.